Good morning. Okay, good afternoon. It's Chris Galley with Keller Williams here, and I have a new listing. I'm here with the photographer. We're getting it set up. The owner just came home and he loves to tease me and try to make me laugh. So without having filled out a script ahead of time, let's do this. So we're in Laguna de la Paz, which has a lake. I'll show you all that stuff later. 5-acre lake. And this home will be on the market in a couple days. No maintenance yard. A lot of the sculpture will stay. I'd like to take a couple pieces, so I won't say which ones will stay. The donkey does not. The donkey was sold. Anyway, we face south. Eisenhower's back there, so let's just get that out of the way. It can be a little noisy, but it's definitely worth the mountain view. All right, this is all the stuff that I hid from the kitchen. We'll have to put that back. We've got a double height ceiling here, which is very cool. It makes this eating area nice. This is a large table for this area, but since he's chosen to convert the dining room, all the seating is here. The kitchen cabinets have been refinished. Stainless steel appliances are only a few years old. Little wine cabinet there we've got to get filled up. Quartz countertops. This was the formal dining room according to the builder, but a lot of people prefer to make it a den. And you'll see that the professional photographs are better because I moved the grill out of the way and you can see the mountains. I'll show you when we go outside. The living room here is warm and cozy with a faux finish. What is that? I can't think of the word right now. I guess I should have had that word ready. Well, let me give you a detail and I'll think of the word later. They took out they took off the closet doors and made this a display case. You could put the closet doors back on if you like. So there, I just made a loop on the floor plan. You see where we are. When you walk from the front door, to the right are the 2 guest bedrooms. Pretty good size because that's a queen bed. And this as well with a little office in the corner here. You can see all the staging that we do for photographs. We threw the front door mat and I forgot to put it back before I started this. Quartz countertops. The tubs have been reporcelained. I will show you in the master. Now the whole master suite's been completely redone. A little bit of a water issue, which was caught early, but with the insurance money that he decided to upgrade and make some really pretty changes. I don't think you're going to be able to see the colors here. They're subtle and lovely. They're gray, but within a cool tone. So this is the master bedroom. From the bed, you've got these mountain views. Fountains and cobblestone. And as you can see, this double door entry, sorry, I should have showed it to you before, but the master wing is on its own side of the house. Really big closet. He's kind of light on clothing. I was giving him a hard time about it. Where's all your clothes? These doors have been replaced with frosting, another upgrade, and new plank tile floor. The other bathroom will be getting this new floor as well. So I was saying he had this reporcelained. Turned out really well. Sort of painted. Hi. All right, quartz countertops, double sink, lots of room. Indirect lighting there. And what did I miss? Let's go to the garage. I think the garage should probably be open. There's the owner. He's hiding back there. The flooring is going to be absolutely, completely redone, and that will take all next week. Separate laundry room with storage. Okay. It's listed at $383, but he keeps changing his mind. Like every time he keeps changing it. I do have it signed at $383, which is really good. We have no sign on the property because the one next door is at $409 and the other one's at $4 something, and we don't want to have 3 signs in a row. So I'll get this on the market shortly, and DM me if you want to be the first one to view it when it's all legal. You and your clients, to my agent friends. All right, signing out.